3D house construction begins with land preparation and foundation layout marking.
Strong foundation base is built to support printed structure securely. Industrial 3D printer is installed, ready to print structural walls.
Concrete mixture is printed layer by layer, forming house walls.
Openings for windows and doors are integrated during printing process. Roof panels are added, providing protection and structural completion.
Electrical plumbing and interior finishing are installed inside structure. Completed 3D house showcases fast construction and modern innovation.